Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unblock numbers on the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to unblock a number, we need to open the phone app. Now, if you have the number saved in the contacts, then of course you can choose the contact and scroll down and you have the option to unblock the number and then choose unblock. If the number is in recents, if that number has been calling you recently and then you block the number and now you want to unblock them, then you can press and hold your finger on the contact and then you have the unblock option and then confirm. And in addition to that, if none of these two methods allow you to find the number, then instead you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner, go to settings, then choose blocked numbers, and over here you will find the list of all numbers that you have blocked. Press this X on the right side in order to unblock a certain number and then confirm that you want to do that. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!